Is using family trust still a good strategy to invest in? Macquarie has accessed the market to allow using family trust or company to buy investment property. Commonwealth Bank also tightened up their trust lending only to existing clients. The following 5 banks still lend loan to investment property under trust. Number 1 is still Commonwealth Property. You can open a credit card and wait there for 6 months, then you become an existing client and you can still borrow under trust. Number 2 is Westpac and its subsidiary St George Bank. Their interest rates are very competitive. Number 3 is ANZ Bank. Their interest rate is slightly higher than the previous 2 banks under trust. Number 4, AMP. However, they only support the super rich because the minimum lending requirement on the trust is $3 million. While if you have more than 5 and use up all this bank, then it's time to consider non-bank. I personally like non-bank for many reasons because they will allow the investor to borrow more using less income. And nowadays, because there are more and more smaller non-banks competing with each other, and the interest rate is actually getting very close to the banks, I want to take a step back to remind you that Australian property market price boomed very quickly from 2000 and 2004. We have Sydney Olympic, and all the way to 2020. The only place suffered the most is probably Victoria State after COVID. All the other states are doing so well. So honestly, don't care about that 0.5% difference or even 1%. Interest cost is only a small portion for the overall property investment. The real reason you earn money from the property is not because how cheap your interest rate is, it's because you found a good property, you have the right structure. So in current market, it is harder than 10-20 years ago to make profit from the property market. I do agree. So what's important now, unlike before, is you have to be more professional, you have to do your due diligence, you have to do pre-planning years ahead with your tax and with your lending. It's not just about buy and rush into the market. So let's study together. Follow my account and I will share more property investment and lending strategy with you in the future.